I guess I'm still alive. Sorry, guys. Uh, my phone and my laptop died while I was reading. Okay. Gonna continue reading. um, so I don't know if you guys were following on the couch. So basically, I'm reading about a ball now because I want to get out the information about a ball. There's a lot about a ball that I don't know, that my siblings and I do not know because our mom, when she was alive, of course, she didn't share as much with us. You know, that's another one of the issues we have with living abroad. Your parents don't have time to talk to you or teach you about your culture and stuff like that, really, or tell you about their past, their history, um, and where they come from. So we don't know much about a ball. We know our mom is from a ball, but we don't know much about a ball. Okay. So I wanted to jump ahead and read, like I said in the beginning, because we got some news about a family member from a ball um, that is not doing too well on my mother's side. So before I say anything else, I wanted to hurry up and read about a ball and share with you guys, and then hopefully I'll get some time to talk to him and things we never got a chance to do and catch up. This is also a reason why Woon Kungeo ni Utiki family kamo Uti Kamabo will Uti Chakole. There's issues between Woon. Don't let it wait when it's too late. Woon Chan look ready chon chon. God, there's any issues, we'll hash it out. Ask for forgiveness. Um, talk to your family. See each other, join or have dinner or whatever. Chinnan each other. Ang mo wile. Koko kono gima marati atimenyo kono big event mo the actual community karang chinnan. Uh, we'll try to forgive each other and win each other before it's too late. I'm guilty of this as well. Uh, Me, I live by myself, isolated in New York City. I barely speak to people, including family members, but um, I'm very guilty of it, and I hope that God gives me time to speak to everybody, and God gives me time to speak to some of my family members on both my mother's side and my father's side, including my dad, who is very old as well. So, anyways, onawati ya kwana bo, look me a bo ma Saturnino onyalo chora. Mani wrote a booty, kuchira neno chief mi emorok Kenya wajo ni ngone. Before kena chief aburi twar bina neno an kany, make sure kama uti a jolo any yen ko umi ire kuon. Kuone mumi bora buri ne umi nono umi ire deck. Yala mi deck uyenyi latina nyaka matiri. Latina nyaka matiri ute bore. Yala kwany kon ko chwiny ginyim anyaka ne ko cham. Ko timo ere kadong otum atwere jolo ne dong chief ki have their little diplomatic courtesy visit. But first, the condition ne mero ne aburi kongo gene. O cham kon gi kom latina nyaka matiri. So I bought Kenya before life bara go off. Okay. So let me finish. Excuse me. I don't really have light in my living room. I just have the TV and a little dim light kanya working. I'm gonna try my best to Kwan on air. Okay, in the dark. So Johnny Ngani, La Kwena Man, O Kwanya Kwan, Kao mako latina nyaka matidi. Matie Monero. Otere bore. Otere bora buri. Eno kero kun inyim rod aburi. Ko yabo. Yeesh. Ngu latin anyaka ma en owacho kwere bore ni. Rod. Kun. Kun eno. Ento dek pere. Piman. Miri twin. I don't want to say these words. I feel so off. Miri twin tun. Latin anyaka. Man. Kawang dek. Roraburi oneno timan gichwe twin madira tigra. En pe ologo gin mo o a malo chut okwanyo tong mere gi jami ma en owuoro kwere ka ochako dok chien I Obbo. Lok ma tie I chwiny Roraburi otumwoko duju ki chawo man. Luak mi imorok ma tie kany ogamo dori pi kwero kwon pa Roraburi kalo kwena pa ruot hadia o hadi kati wajinying rodne wrong wajira. Rod hadi o hadia o ringo I ot ka wajo bod rodne. Rod welo peo chamo kwon en bene o a gi kejo madir o dok wako chien. Rod hadia ma o winyo lokman o luongo lo diro ka wacho bod gini. Gin miero o wach gi dano duchu mi jogo tiko gogi. En bene o miyo chik matek ni tiko gogi man ka o tiko jogo ne miero o rubi I tol ma parapat adek weko te michulo ruot Obbo. Lok owuoro gi dok ot duchu ma weko ot achiel omiyo tiko gari kid mar ruot omiro. Okay? Ing'e man gin oyero dano mokene we gin oruk tiko man. Itola dek kid ma ruot ochiko. Okay? Mi ariyo luak oyero dano mokene we gin ote tal tiko man mi chulo ruot aburi I Obbo. Okay? Gio digo chon dano omako yo Obbo I kar ma gin o idikal pa Roraburi gino chiro bore gi mulu ka gin o wajo bore ni ruot. Wan wakelo bori tiko gari gi bot ruot mewa. Michulo in pijami ma rach ma eno timo bori I kare ma in ichiro imorok. Okay? Roraburi o loko wange I kom luak pa ruot hadie o hadia. Ni unguru ka wajo bod gini. Anpe atwero gamo tiko man would walk. Anape atwero gamo tiko man would walk bod road mewu Actually, it's not working tonight. I'm struggling. Um, Jo imoroko dok chien kagin owajabod ruoth hadie ni. Ruoth aburio kwero gamo ayol Mary gi ichingwa. Git kwero gamo ayal Mary gi ichingwa. Ruoth hadie o hadi ma oneno ni lok man dong odoko tek. Owajabod dano menu ni. Amiro udok chien bod ruoth aburi. Ka kunu umiero, I'm sorry. Ka kunu miero wunya buri ni. Eno bedo, excuse me. Eno bedo gi chwiny madit mada pigin ma otime bore. Mi ariyo en peo miro adega nyo mon obed, excuse me, actually I'm struggling tonight Kwan. Nyo mone obed ikinwa ki Obbo piman eno mio tim mewa ma gilungu holok matie loka kulu kamaru bojo Obbo. Luak pa ruoth adie dog bod ruoth aburi kagin owajabode ni. Ruoth waduogo gi dwan pa ruoth mewa ma wacho ni eno bedo gi chwiny madit atika pi lok ma otime bori ikar ma ini chiro kalime. En dong wacho ni kit ma ini kwero ayal mitiro waka en dong miyo bori tim halok. Okay? Ruoth aburi ogamo tim halok gi puonyo ka owajabod gi ni be an apuoyo mich pa ruoth hadie un dong utwero dok chien. Luak pa ruoth hadie odok pacho ka gin owajabod ruoth megi ni ruoth aburi ogamo mich Mary gi yom chwiny. Mara ye kid ma oweko tim halok. Let me know if I'm saying that correctly. You guys can leave a comment. Tim halok pa jo imorok odoro tim abong. Abong mi obon no tim halok o mi gi imorok. Okay? Dana mi Obbo pore iario kidman. Obbo la cham o Obbo ma malo gi Obbo la twitch. Nyo Obbo ma piny. Lodiro kaka poko dano nyo gangi kidman wek obed yot bo dano matie kalok ikom luak. Mi Obbo man ngeo kagin logo ikom dano. Mi Obbo la cham nyo gin lok ikom dano mi Obbo la twitch. Obbo la cham gi Obbo la twitch gitie dok udi matino kidman. Obbo la twitch tie gi dok udi matino apa gina ye abong kitaka lo wudo oyere la cham loko mini patongo koyo tingili ngabara ire la cham gi pajomo la twitch. Let me know if I'm pronouncing these names correctly. Gangami Obbo mi a twitch. La twitch. Opokomere gi lokide. Mi niang lok ma dok ikom dok uri megi mabe. Atamani be tatwal kawaneno gin dul. Mokwanga, wabineno lokma dok ikom obo la twitch, ka la chin waneno lokma dok ikom obo la cham. Okay, he's going to divide the discussion on the two different regions of Obbo. La twitch in one chapter and then a cham in one chapter. I'm struggling with reading tonight. Ade marachadi. Okay. Well, I'll tell just this paragraph, and then I will finish off tomorrow. I will try my best to read most of Obbo tomorrow, so I can call and speak to some of my family tomorrow, and also speak about Obbo with my family tomorrow. And then I will report back and record another live discussing my findings. I'm going to try to verify some of this information. I'm not 100% sure which part of Obbo my mom's family is from. I hope to find that out tomorrow, and any other stories to confirm Gamo Matigan. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna read the last paragraph and I'm gonna end at Chiranin. I'm so tired. Tie gang abichel mo rumo gang Obbo. Ma aye pajok palwa katire or imala imorok magwigi okay. Walubumi oblianga ochirokwere wa idokulu atebi. Tim borum mi ma jo pajok ogero. Iye man tim pa jo koyo nyo Obbo. Wang lobo mi Obbo gi palwa tie ikulu lianga. Wang lobo mi Obbo gi katire tie inge got apotalanga. Wang lobo mi Obbo gi imarok nyo ire. Dano mokena wajuni tie igot kapal nyo lomolong. Ento dano mokena wajuni wang lobo mi Obbo gi imarok tie i tul. Ka wang lobo mi Obbo gi magwi tie i dok kulu kimoru. Tim lowudo ma gilungo tim oyoko tie chok gi got okire i magwi. Ento dano mokena wajuni wang lobo mi Obbo gi magwi tie got pa loyomoy matie e aluoro ayi. No, sorry, is that correct? Or likari. Wang lobo mi Obbo gi panyikwara or winkibul kono tie i dok kulu atebi. Pien tim ongolko majo o winkibul ogero ye man tim pajomo. Okay, guys, this is just basically the basic outline of Obbo. Down pat to create Obbo. Obbo muna chula kina chuli binu kama ko mapat kini ki uri gini mapat kangi mapat nyo dogola pa jomo ko mapat ma no achuli ko gini bene. Gibino gi gore gi mere kini gi bibino achuli. Gina ginong gibi make Obbo. Obbo na ti iaria Obbo a twitch Obbo a cham yala majority of Obbo or rume gi gangi mo mi achuli mo ko chal gine. Pajok panyikwara ke nga gini. And Obbo beru kalweng madung with neighboring communities, including Pajok, Gilo Dana Wang, except for Palua. Okay. Give lose down on population to the law Dana Wang. They actually will any surrounding ethnic communities. Kenya, the Southern Sudan region, Kenya, get doing the law Dana Wang. I can give it a loin, couldn't get in your territory, give it a loin, my doing, get y'all losing down. At some point, get y'all establish relationship, your ball. But get loin, get down, including get Pajok. You lose, Ngamo, you lose Timor, you lose Dano. Yala Rora Buri Birka leading Dano, and Birka on some diplomatic mission skinny. Me gaining a relationship with certain communities. Jajo Imorok, Kimo Nano Kirino Chiri Imorok, and a chief, me Imorok, Tima and Maraj, Lomi Kongi Latina Nyahani. Kalera mo kono chero gang o mio itiro go timo kene timatin lo lungani ngani abong e obani no lo lungani team holok. Okay, so kin manero kene la church con explain deeper the difference or why there's two sides of a ball, and he wanted about those smaller gangi. Sorry guys, it's freezing up for some reason. I'm gonna end here. Digido nga kwano ngani Obbo la twitch mi Obbo mapping. He's gonna start with a bong wotpa a bong geke mi Obbo. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. You have a good night, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Apo Awun for tuning in. We'll leave comments. If you know anything about a Bob, me a Bob, please join my session. Leave a comment under this video. Maybe you could be my guest to discuss a Bob. Maybe Diggy will the day after. Tomorrow's a weekend, so chat here. Go try to discuss get up. I'm gonna try to speak with my family, see what I can find about a Bob. As well to validate information more my bit of about a ball and others information more my be kwano D. Okay. Have a good night, have a good morning. I pour out my tech. I hope to discuss further with you guys tomorrow. Hopefully with a fully charged laptop. Get better. I pour out my tech. Man Chaka Chuli, segment me, Kwan Chuli, and Jackline Ikang. This video will be downloaded and also posted on YouTube and our official Facebook channel, Chaka Chuli. Thank you. Bye-bye.